We divide 894 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 9 and it is 39. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 4 and it is 44. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put here decimal so that we take zeros. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 894 divided by 5 is 178.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.